Greetings traders, it is Friday, June 29th, 2018, and I'm about to get started trading. And what I'm going to do is look for a code to trade and take an entry. And as soon as I've taken one, I will be back. For you charting subscribers out there, you see that, you see where it is right now on the daily. This is not ideal right here. You know, it could be a really choppy day, or it could move really big right off the code. So it just depends, you know. There's nothing special about it though. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's in the middle. So it's pretty much sitting on the fence right now. So we're not going to pay a whole lot of attention to the daily right now. Just going to pay attention to the entry. Anyway, I will be back. Okay, I've got a long entry here. Stop is set to 73.37. I'll come right back. Okay, it is moving up here. I've got my exit set for 40 ticks up to 73.95. I think I can get that. It's got to go all the way up to the top of the top, very top right there. But here's the thing, if it's gonna go all the way up to the top up there, then there would be a good chance it would also break that right there, break that top and go even higher, which means I would need to go for more ticks. I'm a little bit skeptical of it doing that here on Friday. I might back it off and just go for 30 ticks. That'll put me a little bit below. That way if it comes up and double tops up there, I'll get out. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but anyway, I will come back. See what the 10-minute looks like. It's pretty choppy. Went sideways here for quite a while. Made a big move up, big move back down. Choppiness. Chopped itself up and down. Look at all these lines everywhere. Eee. Very choppy. And so, for you charting subscribers, this is what you look at too. You look at this and you say, choppy day. What's it going to probably do to your Friday then? Choppy day. So is it likely, because it's choppy, is it likely to go up and break that high up there? No. So basically, we're probably going for too many ticks here. We need to back off to 30 ticks. We should be able to hit that. But then we are taking the risk. If we just go for that little tick, it may power its way up and go all the way up and go above. Just because it's not doing it right now doesn't mean it won't. We're still very early on in the day right now. And plenty of time. So how will we know if it'll go? Well, I told you many times, make a big move up real quick. All of a sudden, not using the code to do it with. And it'll continue to go higher. Anyway, I'll be back. It's getting close to the exit here. Exit is set up at 95 for 40 ticks. It's getting pretty close. It's within striking distance here. Okay, I will come back. I'm thinking about going for more here. Because once it breaks right there, it's likely to go a bit higher, but I'm not sure though. You know, it's hard to say. I probably should. I probably should go for more and then play like a protective stop and bring it up. And let it bring it up behind it. Kind of like a trailing stop. But I would just trail it up myself, strategically, you know. Because it is a possibility this thing could move considerably higher here. Anyway, I'm going for 40 right now. I might just keep it at that, otherwise if I adjust it, I'll come back. I probably can get more ticks than just this 40 here. But, I'm just going to take the 40. I'm just going to call it a nice 40 tick day on Friday. It's 8:40 at night here. I got some things I could go do. Go down to the beach and go have dinner at the beach. They got a lot of nice restaurants here, right on the beach. So I like to go down there a lot. On Friday nights, nice time to go down. So if it hits here, I'm just going to take off. Call it an early day. But I probably could get more. It'd be a time to go for it if you really wanted to go for it and try to hit like a I don't know, maybe an 80 tick trade, you never know, something like that. Just a little bit higher. Okay, I will come back. Okay, exit coming up here. It's playing a little game here, going back and forth on the ticks, but it'll probably just shoot up a little bit. Actually, with the top of the chart, it's not likely to do that. It's going to inchworm its way up here. There's a good chance, though, it'll come up and break this other high over here. There is a pretty good chance of that, and if it does, it's likely to go up go up a bit. I'm going to miss a really good trade here, but I'd rather just get out right now. I'm about to just exit manually here. Anyway, I'll come back. I hope all of you charting subscribers are in this trade, already hit it for 30 ticks, or you're going for the 40 like I am. It was very easy today. Very simple, very easy. Okay, if it starts coming back down, I'm going to get out. Actually, I don't need to. It's just going to go back up again. Alright, I'll just come back. For the record, though, you can't see it here on the daily. I'll pull up the 10-minute. It went to 92. Yeah, 92. 3 ticks away from my exit. Anyway, I'll come back. By the way, this trade was called out in advance before it would ever even happen, by about 8 hours or so. It was called out in advance in my charting service, so that all of my charting subscribers, knowing how the code works and knowing how to use the code, took the exact same trade that you saw me take today. Imagine that. They have all taken the exact same trade. They knew to go long. They got in at virtually the same exact price I got in. Maybe down to the tick. Maybe they got the exact same price I got. You say, how can that be possible? Well, it is. It is possible. And so that is the power of the charting service. It can give you really good trades. This is I don't want to say science, because it's not worthy to be called science, really, but it's sort of like a science, to track it and to track it every week, so that you know exactly where to get in. You don't know exactly where your exit's going to be, but you have a general idea of what it's going to be. You have a good idea, because you can mathematically calculate that, but you don't know exactly. So the exit's a little bit more of a I don't want to say guesswork. It's more of a not such a for sure thing, not so mathematical. Whereas the code itself is very mathematical. Okay, are you gonna push higher? Let's go. It's right at the very top. I just need to push higher by 3 ticks. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, I am out for 40 ticks, and I'm gonna call it a day. It's Friday here, Friday there too. I know Friday. It's 8:46 p.m. to me here in Thailand. So I'm all done for today. If I wanted to, and if you were doing the codes, you could take more trades. Oh, look at it go. You could take more trades than just what you see me taking here. I just like to take 1 trade per day. That's really all I like to do. But if you wanted to, you could take multiple different trades and come out way ahead. Seriously, I have been trading since 2001. 2001. That's a long time. 17 years to be trading. And there's nothing like the oil market for being able to make money. Okay, I take that back. Stocks are really good too. I like stocks too. But oil is unique in that you're doing the same thing every day, the same instrument, same thing. You don't have to worry about this stock, that stock, or You know, if it's going to get halted or, you know, whatever. You don't have to worry about any of that. You just trade the same thing with oil. I mean, it's got its cons, you know, just like anything else, but it's got a lot of pros to trade oil. Anyway, hope all of you charting subscribers hit this trade. You should have absolutely hit it. So easy, so simple. Okay, I'm going to get going, everyone. Hope you had a good trading week and a good trading day today, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you for more trading on Monday. Happy trading out there.